Hi guys, it's Ron Gillespie. Today we're going to show you how to do an undercut haircut. Hi guys, it's Ron Gillespie from Rogue Barbers. I've been doing hair for over 25 years, operating 3 locations here in the Rogue Valley. Please subscribe to my channel and stay up to date with all the tips and tricks with doing hair. Today we're going to dive deep into an undercut haircut. Let's get to it.
So there's lots of steps to this haircut. We're going to start off with step number 1. Establish a guideline using your LI liners made by Andis. I like these liners because they really just kind of are light. They're cordless and they can actually get in there and actually just get things done. So now you're at a point where you're needing to blend up with a 0.5. So that's step number 2. As I'm doing, I like to kind of use my wrist and just go on in and blend it all up. Don't be afraid to just stretch your margins. So now we're going to go into step 3. Blend up with a number 1 guard. As you transition from your 0.5 to your number 1 guard, just go ahead and just use your wrist and just blend all the way up using good margins. You don't want your haircut to be kind of like compacted, so just blend up and use that number 1 guard and just go all the way around. So your 4th step, you want to use a number 2 guard, take it all the way around the head using good margins, using the C stroke, and just creating like a good margin from the number 1 to the number 2. So when you get into step 5, you're going to need a number 3 guard to remove the bulk. When you're doing an undercut, the biggest part about a haircut like this is you're going to have a lot of bulk, and you just want to remove that bulk, take it all the way to the ridge and go all the way around the head with the number 3. You're going to get a nice clean undercut. So when you get into step 6, you're going to have to go back and clear out all the lines that are from the hairline up using a 0.5 guard, a number 1 guard, and a 1.5 guard. So I really like to kind of like use these guards, but remember, you're actually doing the cleanup portion of the haircut, and everyone's head is different, so you're not going to be able to use these exact guards in the same. Everyone's head is different. You can just go ahead and just clear it all out, and before you know it, you'll find that your haircut comes together totally good.
Of doing an undercut haircut made some sense. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm out.